So to replace the battery in this Hyundai Kona, so there, twist, there it is there, and just pull it apart. So I'm now just using a small screwdriver, remove these two screws aside for a second, and then prise it apart. There it is there. And so there's clips here. So again, if you use very carefully, use a knife here to remove it. There it is. As you see, it's a 3 volt. I'm going to put the same one back in because it works perfectly okay. So make sure it's got the plus in view, and then fit this into place. There. Can be a bit fiddly. Turn it over. Press the button. See if the light flashes. Press the button. See if the light flashes. Press the light. See if it flashes. It does. That's good. Put the top back on. Here. Clip it into place. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.